Hello, Amanda here. I am doing an unboxing for Sheglam today. I believe so. I think that's the box I have because it doesn't say Sheglam, it says Shin. I didn't order from Shin, but okay. This is what I unboxed yesterday. I meant to get into this yesterday, but I just didn't have the time for, because I'm a stay-at-home mom and wife, so I had cleaning and stuff to do and tend to my daughter. So I didn't get around to this. Hopefully I get around today. Get around to something today. Hopefully. But anyway, this is me without foundation. I do unboxings, mostly reviews on a beauty channel. In case you didn't know. Name's Amanda. In case you didn't know. But anyway, I did my eyebrows and put highlighter on with my stained eyes. So, no foundation. So I wasn't sure I would have time because she's in a mood. So hopefully I can get through this video. Okay. I need to move this stuff aside. Yes. I don't know what kind of unboxing this is. It does say my name. We'll see. But I was expecting Sheglam. It says Shin. I don't know. Whatever it is very heavily protected. Oh yeah, and I have ColourPop Made You Look and Jeffree Star Gloss. I just had my coffee, it hasn't kicked in yet. I think I may have a second one. Okay. Okay. Ooh. It's Sheglam. This is cute. This is definitely a collector's item again. Another collector's item I'm going to use. Sorry. Sorry if you're dying right now. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is cool. If you love Harry Potter, you gotta get this. It's a faux leather, and you can feel this, but it's like some kind of fake metal here. Oh, this is cute. And it's easy. Look here, you can use this shimmer or this shimmer. This is your main color, this is your secondary color, and you can use both or one. So it reminds me of the ColourPop palettes are very easy, but this is awesome. This is like really well thought out. So he's got all the houses. It's really cool. And same thing. You get your main here. Oh. And then you have a matte with glitter in it for this one. So you just have one shimmer to use. So it's got a lion. That's cool. I'm very impressed with this collection. I thought it looked cool, like, on the website, but it really looks great in person. Here. Okay. So my hair never wants to stay down. Let's try it. Put it down. Put it down. Just don't. Okay. But I put my hair up all the time. You'd think it would be easy, but it's not. Okay. Here's another one with 3 mattes in this one. 1 shimmer. But they look easy to do. So these will all be in their individual episode when I review them. Slytherin. Sorry, I just got really excited when I saw that one. Cool. Good snake. I like this green here. That is a pretty green. I'm not going to try any of the shades yet, in case I might trigger you. But, so no, this is a collector's item. But if you want a collector's item, will be coming. So which one you want first? This one. Which house? Which house do you want to see first? Do let me know. I'm more attracted to Slytherin, but do let me know which house you would like. I don't know. Do I just like the bad guys in the movie? I think so. But anyway. I'm going to put these back in here. But this is really cool. Do let me know what house that you want me to do first. Because otherwise I'm just going to do Slytherin. So. This is so cute. It's with the houses on there. But anyway, it's very detailed and very nice. Definitely get if you love Harry Potter. Or just get it for the deal, the makeup deal. Because this is only $19 without shipping. With shipping, it's like $23 something. So it's a pretty good deal. And you see how they protected my package. And got it here very quickly. This didn't take any time at all to get here. It's like, what, a couple days? Not, I'll say like 4 days. Yeah. But anyway, many blessings to you. I hope you like my very short video. Hopefully you like my quick makeup look. I don't know. I need to do my nails. Because I think the nail polish is almost all off. So I can put a new nail polish on. But anyway. She's starting up. I don't know if that's excitement or mommy, you talking to someone else. But anyway, so I'm excited to get into this one, especially Slytherin. I know, I'm on the wrong side. Okay. But anyway, many blessings to you. Tell me what's your favorite house. I think you know mine. But okay. Many blessings to you. I look forward to seeing you again. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and all that jazz. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna hypnotize you. But anyway, but anyway, many blessings to you. I hope you have a good day or night whenever you see this. Please tell me what house do you want me to do first. Or at least tell me your favorite. So But anyway, I'm just gonna do my thing. So I said many blessings to you. So, oh, thank you for watching. Anyway, if you don't do any of those things, thank you.